Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how add website shortcuts icon to your home screen on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. Our first step to do is opening Google Chrome application. In it, we must tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose Add to Home Screen, where we are on website which we want to add. And in this part we can custom name of our shortcut icon. We can write something new. Wait a second. Write something new, change something what you need. You can delete all what you prefer and confirm it by add and add again. And that's all. We have our shortcut icon on our home screen right now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.